So you got yourself a Google TV device and you don't know what apps to download on it. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you my top 5 recommendations on what apps to install on your Google TV device. So if you're ready, let's get started. So today I'm on my Google TV Chromecast, but this will also work on any Google TV device, whether it's on 4K box or an NVIDIA sealed. For example, the process is the same. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you my top 5 apps. Alright, so my first application which I'm gonna show you is called Downloader, and what Downloader can do is download applications on your Google TV device that's not in the Google Play Store, folks. So basically a third-party app. So you can get Downloader as well as all the apps I'm gonna cover in this video in the Play Store. So search the Play Store for each and every one of them and you will find them. And as well, absolutely for free. So if we open up Downloader once it's installed, it's this up here. And if we click on OK, so this is Downloader, guys. And if you're seeing a lot of my videos, you'll know this application. In this box, you can either type a URL, a search term, or a source code. I'm gonna type in a source code. So as you can see, I've typed in the source code and I'm gonna click back, then click on go to go to that code, folks. And if we accept cookies here, and that's insane. This is actually my page, but there's millions of pages on the internet with third-party applications. So if I accept the cookies, and if I wanted to download an app from here, say if I wanted to download non-zombies, so I'll click on that, and that'll download the app for me. Now, if it's your first time doing this, it will ask you to enable Downloader for unknown sources. So what you do is select unknown sources for Downloader, turn it on, and you'll be able to install the application just like I'm doing right now. Click on done. Now this is very important. You need to delete the APK file to save storage on your device. Otherwise, if you download apps and if you have a bunch of APK files, it will take up loads of your storage, folks. So it's always best to delete these just by clicking on delete, and to confirm, clicking on delete again. And then if you push the home button, you'll see the app on your home screen. Now I know on some certain third-party applications you won't see them on the home screen. The way to get around this is if you go to your settings, push down there to apps, see your apps, and there's a list of your apps here, and you can very easily find the app you're looking for from this list. So now is app number 1, Downloader. Okay, now app number 2 is probably the most important application as I'm gonna discuss today. And that application is Backround Apps and Process List. Now what does Backround Apps and Process Lists do? Basically, it scans your device for applications that are running in the background using valuable space, and you can use that app to easily close them, folks. This is very nice. So this is the app right here, folks. So if I open it up, and then if I click on got it, so it's down there. And if I click on refresh, as you can see, it scans my device for apps running in the background. And as you can see, I have 6 apps open in the background. So closing these will definitely help my device to speed up and run smoother, basically. So to close all these apps, all I need to do is to go up to close all apps, just there, and click on force stop, click OK, click back, force stop, click OK, click back, force stop, click OK, click back, force stop, OK, click back, force stop, OK, back, force stop, OK, back, and there you go, guys. I've closed all the applications running in the background. So super handy app to have on your Google TV. Okay, so app number 3 is actually a very cool app I want to show you guys. It's called Send Files to TV, and what it allows you to do is to send files from your Android phone or tablet to your Google TV device. So if we open it up and click on OK, as you can see, it's very basic. All you see is 2 words, send and receive. So you can actually send files from the Google TV device to your tablet or vice versa. I'm gonna send from my tablet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the Send Files to TV app on my tablet, which by the way you also need on your phone or tablet. Click on OK and you'll be here, folks. So what I'm gonna do is click on send, just here. So if I click on send and click on OK, and it says here, and now send files to TV to access your photos, media and files on your device. Make sure you click on allow, otherwise it won't work. And then you'll be brought here, folks. So what I'm gonna do is browse for the item I want. So if I go to pictures, for example, I'm gonna select this, and as you can see, my Chromecast has come up here. So what I'm gonna do before clicking it is I'm actually gonna go down on the Chromecast to receive, just there, and click on OK again, click on Allow, click on Allow once again, and then scroll down to send files to TV, enable it, click on back, click on receive again, and you'll be here, folks. Now I'm gonna click on Chromecast on my tablet, and as you can see, it's instantly sent the file over. Okay, so using a file manager, browse to the location, which is usually in the download folder, and as you can see, there's the file I sent from my phone. And by the way, guys, while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the next app I'm gonna show you guys is actually a web browser for your Chromecast, and that web browser is called TV Pro. So if we now open up TV Pro, so basically you can use your browser just like you're on your computer. So you look through your emails, YouTube, Instagram, stuff like that. You can also input a URL up the top there. It has a built-in mouse cursor. So as you can see, this is the mouse cursor. And if I wanted to search something, let's say Family Guy for example, click on next. So if we accept all the cookies, as you can see, it searches the web for Family Guy, and as you can see, Google's the default search engine. If I wanted to change that, I can click on back, which will show the menu here, and if I go to settings, you can change the search engine from in here. So if I wanted to be bin, I click on bin, and it will search using the bin, folks. This is very nice. I have made a full video on TV Pro going into depth on it, so if you want to find out more about it, definitely watch that video. Okay, so the last app I'm gonna show you guys is actually a file manager. So the file manager I recommend is Explore. So as you can see, is this up here, and if I open it up, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can browse your internal storage. You can even attach a network storage from in here, folks, and I have a video on how to do that. You can copy files, you can delete files, basically everything that you want a file manager to do, you can do with Explore. Again, I have made a full video on Explore, so if you want to check that out, there's a link up in the top right hand corner now, so you can watch it. So there you go, guys. That was my top 5 apps you should install on your Google TV. I hope you found them useful, and if you did, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, also share the video as well, guys. Now really helps out a lot. And with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.